Good morning, students. Students, in today's computer class, we are going to start a new topic, that is Internet. So, students, are you excited to learn this new topic? Yes, so let us start. In that first, we are going to learn what does Internet means. The Internet is a globally connected network system that uses TCP or IP to transmit data via various types of media. The Internet is a network of global exchanges, including private, public, business, academic, and government networks, connected by guided, wireless, and fiber optic technologies. The term Internet and World Wide Web are often used interchangeably, but they are not exactly the same things. The Internet refers to the global communication system, including hardware and infrastructure, while the web is one of the services communicated over the Internet. The Transmission Control Protocol, means TCP, is one of the main protocols of the Internet Protocol suite. It organized in the initial network implementation in which it complemented the Internet. Communications. The Internet is the most cost effective communications method in the world, in which the following services are instantly available. In that, first service is email, second web enabled audio video conferencing services, online movies and gaming, data transfer, file sharing, often through File Transfer Protocol (FTP), instant messaging, internet forums, social networking, online shopping, financial services. So these are services are instantly available on the internet. The internet originated with the US government, which began building a computer network in the 1916 known as ARPANET. In 1985, the US National Science Foundation NSF commissioned the development of the university network backbone called NSFNET. The system was replaced by new networks operated by commercial internet service providers. In 1995, the internet was brought to the public on a large scale at around this time. Now we are going to learn how does the internet work. The internet is a set of cables that are connected all around the world, transferring small bits of data. The cables have been placed over time by governments, telecommunications companies, and other firms throughout the last several years. The cables are mostly placed underground and even on the bottom of the oceans. The cables are made of primarily copper wiring and fiber optics. Directly attached to these cables are servers. A server is given a unique Internet Protocol IP address. Similarly to how each house has a unique postal code, street name and number. The purpose for the IP address is to locate that server when sending or receiving information. The numbers associated with the server, the IP address, are long and hard to remember, and so we use names such as www.facebook.com instead. Our computers are not servers, they are called clients because they use an internet service provider ISP to connect to the computer. So, like this way, the internet work. Now, next is URL, Uniform Resource Locator. A uniform resource locator is the address of a resource on the internet. A URL indicates the location of a resource as well as the protocol used to access it. This is also known as web address. Now students, we are going to learn what is a web browser. A web browser, commonly refers to as a browser, is the application software for accessing the World Wide Web. However, to connect to a website server and display its web pages, a user must have a web browser installed. Web browsers are used on a range of devices including desktop, laptops, tablets and smartphones. So next is, what is a web pages? A web page is a simple document displayed by a browser. Such documents are written in the HTML language that is viewed in an internet browser. A web page can be accessed by entering a URL address into the browser's address bar. A web page may contain text, graphics, and hyperlinks to other web pages and files. So this is all about the web pages. Now we are going to learn what is a website. A website is a collection of web pages and related content that is identified by a common domain name and published on at least one web server. For example, www.gmail.com. Now students, we are going to learn about the search engine. A search engine is a web-based tool that enables users to locate information on the World Wide Web. Popular examples of search engines are Google, Yahoo, Bing, etc. A search engine is a software system that is designed to carry out web search. They search the www in the systematic way for particular information specified in a textual web search query. Now students, we are going to learn what is an email. Email is a short form of electronic mail similar to a letter. It is sent via the internet to a recipient. An email address is required to send and receive email, and that address is unique to the user. features of using email. There are some features of using email. The first is feature is it's quick. Your recipient receive your email as soon as they go online and collect their mail. Second feature, it is secure. Third, it is low cost. Next, photos, documents and other files can be attached to an email so that more information can be shared. Next feature, last feature, on email, one email can be sent to more than one recipient at a time. Now we are going to learn how to create an email account. There are various websites which provides the email services, for example hotmail.com, yahoomail.com, ymail.com, rediffmail.com, gmail.com and many more. Now let us learn to create an email account using gmail.com. In that first step, double click on the web browser, for example Google Chrome. Second step, type gmail.com in the address bar and press enter key. Third, click on create account. Fourth step, now fill the information. Then click on next button. Again click on next button. Next step and click on I agree. So your email account is created. As soon as you click on I agree, it will open your account and shows inbox. So students, here we are going to stop. I hope you all have understood whatever taught today. Thank you. Have a nice day.